Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well. Today I will show you a magical something, that is how to convert the picture into doc file. But make sure that you have Google Photo in your phone, and then make sure that your photo that you have clicked to extract the image, to extract the text, has backed up. Okay, and then definitely you'll see that and you'll click the Google Photo, and then when you come that you will see that I have taken some images, but my main target is to extract the text from these images, because at the same time there is English and Bangla as well, and it will clear your all the confusion that you can do with any language. First I need to come here, the Google Apps, and then come to Google Docs, and then I have to wait, and it is open now. Let's start a blank document. Okay, and it's a blank document, you can rename it. Okay, like, and now I need to do, I have to insert the photo, the very photo I want to take the texts. So I will go to insert that image, and then you have several options. I want to go photos, and here you'll see the photos, and like I want to see, I want to select this, and you can select multiple photos from here and then insert. Okay, I think I've shown at the first that I want to get the text from this very picture, and after that what I need to do, I need to save it as a PDF. I'm going to file and then download, and then you can see PDF fine. And you can see that there's a notification that PDF to text.pdf, I mean it has converted into PDF. And then the crucial part comes in, that is, let's open our Google Drive. Okay, that is a Google Drive, and I have a separate folder for this, like audio content. And what I need to do, that is upload the very PDF here. That's it. What I need to do, how can I do this? I have to open the file and go to the download section, then PDF to text. I have to drag it. Now you can see that this is the PDF to text. Okay, and then comes the most crucial part, that is, click these three dots, then come with open with, and then Google Doc. Wait a bit, and you can see something magical, that is, you can see that the photo that I have shown you earlier, that is converted to a doc copy, and now you can edit, right? You can like change the, you can fold it, you can change the color, and whatever you, if you want to change like the word this, DHIS this, and then you will see that it is done. Thank you.